Just want to take an opportunity to do a quick installation video on how to install your base. When you receive your base, it will come with a drain. So I wanted to talk a little bit about the drain and how that installation is done. This drain is actually a 3-portion drain. Comes with your top version that unscrews, and then the sandwich version. The top portion, your tile ready base, and then the bottom portion will be on this here. So how we actually do this is the first thing that needs to be installed, and your floor actually goes underneath here. So I don't know if you can see that, but it sits above the floor in here, and then they have the screw holes that allow you to screw that right into the floor. Now, why they've done that too is that you're going to put the thin set down when you go to install your tile ready base. This will be filled with thin set, so that becomes level, maybe a little bit higher with the thin set, so when you squish it down, it becomes level with this base. So as you can see, we've got one already installed in here, ready to go. So that's the bottom portion that's been installed. You'll take your tile ready base, you'll thin set it just like it's a big tile. You'll lay it down, you'll level it out. You'll have a silicone bead here first before you do that. And you'll squish that all down, make sure it's nice and level. Put your bolts in, and then you'll take your sandwich version that will be on the top here. Run another silicone bead here, or plumber's putty, whichever you like. Put that down in place. You twist it to lock it in place. Screw these down to tighten it up. You'll see your silicone or your plumber's putty ooze out of the side. Clean that up there. Make sure you've got a nice good seal here. And then you have the final, but you have your top portion of your drain, which is meant to screw down so it can be at a perfect level depending upon your thickness of your tile and your thin set. So that is a quick instructional video on tile ready bases.